If you are a low risk taker but wanted unlimited profit, then this video is for you. We have discussed straddles, strangles and other strategies and how to manage them. These are limited reward, unlimited risk strategies. If your view goes wrong, you are exposed to unlimited risk. Now what if I tell you, if your view is right, you make unlimited profit, and if your view goes wrong, you make a small profit, and if the market goes sideways, you exit the trade with a small loss, and you don't have to make any adjustment and bring in extra margin money for these strategies. This is no big secret, everyone knows this strategy, that is ratio back spread. I am going to explain that in a few minutes, what is ratio back spread and how to deploy the strategy. But there is a catch. For this strategy to work, market has to move violently. See, you don't have to worry if the market shoots up or crashes down, but the market has to move, and this will not work in Nifty. And that's why we identified an instrument and backtested it for last 6 months. The return it has given is interesting. Before that, let me explain what is ratio back spread. This is Umar, and as always, keep supporting us. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. We have lots of content lined up for you. Okay, now we are in Sensible. I am just going to show you how to do a back spread, ratio back spread, right? Now assume Bank Nifty is at 32,300. So what we do, we go and sell one lot of 32,400 call strike at the money strike, right? So how much you are getting? You are getting around 466, right? So it is a credit. So what you do, you have received 466, you go and buy two lots of 33,000. Yeah, that is 2:1 ratio. And once we do it, you see what will happen. No matter where the market goes on the downside, you will exit with a small profit or a small profit. If the market shoots up, you don't have to worry, you will make a good profit, right? Now if the market comes and expires between this range, you are going to make a loss. So this one you will have to do if you are bullish. If you expect the market is going to shoot, market may be moving around 1000 points or 1500 points, we don't know, but Bank Nifty will move. That is what is happening. Bank Nifty has a tendency to move around 1500 points in one trading session, and trading in Bank Nifty is something you have to be very smart. I think you have to have special skills to trade in Bank Nifty. That is what it will do. So so for people who are afraid or who are panicking to trade in Bank Nifty, can take this strategy. If the market goes down, you don't have to worry, you will end up with a small loss. If your view goes wrong, you will end up with a small loss. In case if your view goes right, you will make a good profit. Now this is on one side. Okay, now let's say you are bearish, right? What you do, you do the same thing on the opposite side. You sell 32,400 at the money strike. You collect a premium of around 514. You go and sell buy two lots of 31,500. Same will happen. If the market goes up, you will make a small profit. If the market goes down, you are going to make excellent profit. But if the market stays in between, you are going to make a loss. See, I will tell you, even if the market moves around the one day movement, as of today, market is making around 1,000 points move. Even that will help you. In case you are uncomfortable, you can exit the trade, right? You have no problem. All the thing is, you are going to risk only 20k in case market is not moving. That is, you have to wait till expiry. You don't have to wait till expiry. In case in between you think market is not going to perform, you can exit the trade, no problem. That's it, right? So in case this is for bearish, in case you are bearish, you can do this one. In case you are bullish, you can do on the call side. Now you are range bound, you don't know where the market is go, you can do on the both side. And these things when it is done, before major events, before election, or before budget, or before this RBI meeting, like this, no, the people take this type of ratio back spread. So in market moves down also no problem, market moves up also no problem, you are limited with in case it is range bound, your losses will be limited. And this is a very good strategy in case you don't have to you don't want to do adjustment, you don't want to go into that chaos and all. I just want to execute the trade and you sit on it. This is the best strategy. And margin money is very less, maybe maybe it will cost you around maybe this margin is wrong. Maybe you can check in Zerodha span calculator, it will show the correct margin. Roughly I will tell you, maybe 2 or 2.5 lakh is what the margin, it is going to be the margin. 2.2 lakhs, around 2 lakhs I think is the margin. So this is what the trade is. You can initiate this trade at any time, but make sure you do it in Bank Nifty. Make sure you do it in a stock where the movement is very violent. Don't do it in a stock where there is no movement. Nifty, it will not work. Bank Nifty, it will work up to some extent, and you try to initiate this trade when there are any major incident, like as I told you, before elections or budget or RBI meeting or any type of major incident, you have to initiate this trade. People do like this only. So they come out of the no matter where the market goes, even if it goes up or even if it goes down, you don't have to worry. And we tested this in the Bank Nifty for the last 6 months, and it has given an excellent profit, around 50% profit return on investment in less than 6 months, So from October to March we have done it. In this 6 months, only 2 months it has gone into loss. All the other 4 months it has given an excellent profit. So this is a trade, and hope you understand. Now that's interesting, right? Now these are the strategies where you don't have to do any adjustment, and the margin money is very reasonable. Maybe you will require around 1.2 lakhs, and you don't have to worry if the market gap up or gap down. And the best part is, we have backtested this strategy in Bank Nifty for the last 6 months, and it has given an excellent profit. The Bank Nifty can move even 1500 points in one trading session. I will leave the details of the trade in the link below. You can check the details there, or you can backtest it yourself if you want. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.